This is the November TOYL box. It is worth over £130. Mine is late again this month. Let's have a chat about that, so stay tuned. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you're new here. Today's video I have, let me just cover my address up. I have this. So this is the November TOYL box. Let's open it on up. So I am late unboxing this because it was late arriving to me. I've had some issues with TOYL box that I am not very happy about. Last month in my unboxing I told you that I had a problem with 3 boxes. That's all been sorted now, or so I thought. I got told that I was going to be put on a watch list because they kept delivering my box to my old address. So this month, when the box was due to be delivered, I got an email, yeah, parcel's been delivered. Looked at the photo in the parcel because I thought I haven't got no parcel, and it's my old house again, and I'm on a watch list, so not a very good watch list, unfortunately. I pay £40 a month for this box, and ever since I've changed my address, the company can't deal with the fact that I've changed my address. They're incapable of putting it on their systems and keeping my new address on there. It's so infuriating, really infuriating, because I keep getting told, oh, we'll look into it, oh, we'll sort it. 4 months, guys, 4 months. So if you want to subscribe to this box, be it on your head. Hopefully, I haven't had a problem actually before I moved. Everything was fine. But if you want to subscribe and if you're due to move soon, don't do it. Do it after you've moved, because the hassle is not worth it. Here is inside the box. Here is the booklet with all the information on the products in here, which is fab. Somebody's impatient and beeping the horn. But yeah, it just says that this box is worth over £130. Very nice indeed. So yeah, very nice presentation. There is a little sneak peek of what is in here, but let's get to unboxing this. And hopefully seeing the products in here might make me a bit happier. Fingers crossed. Right, so the first product we have in the November box is this. So this is by the brand Murad, and this has a value of £70, and this is a targeted wrinkle corrector. It just says, this new product by our favourite Murad works like an instant filler with highly bioavailable hyaluronic acid, flooding wrinkles, even deep set, sudden lines with hydration to plump, smooth and reduce wrinkles instantly on contact. That's really bold claims. It's like an instant filler. When you can't make a trip to the derm for a filler, this powerful peptide meets hyaluronic acid treatment virtually erases the look of wrinkles by visibly smoothing and reducing wrinkle instantly. Wow. Apply in the morning or the night on clean, dry skin. Gently squeeze the product out and tap in with the metal slide. Okay. If you need a finger to tap it in, don't rub. Okay, let's have a look. £70. Wow. And wow, look at this. It's not very big for £70. My goodness. Yeah, there's 15 mils in here. But yeah, if you look there, that's what it means by the slide. So the product comes out of here, a little hole there. Can you see that? And then there's this shiny bit. Yeah, that's going to be nice and cooling on the skin. So you just pop it on the skin and then rub it in with that. Oh yeah. I haven't got any product on it. I'm just rubbing that on my eye because it feels really nice. Oh yeah, really cooling. Yeah. Should I do a video on this and see how of an instant filler it is? Because I have lots of lines to fill. Let me know if you're interested in a video. I'm certain I could get that done ASAP if I have enough interest. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand The Organic Pharmacy, and this is a hyaluronic acid serum. This has a value of £30, and it just says award-winning, over 95% organic and perfect for the autumn. As we move into the autumn, the air Both inside and out gets a lot drier, which means we have to focus on moisturising the skin. Hyaluronic acid holds over 1,000 times its own weight in water in your skin, so it could be perfect for the season. The brand says it's a unique organic triple molecular I can't say that word, oh my god, help. Weight 0.2%. Hyaluronic acid is powerful results. Light, easily absorbed formula that thirsty skin drinks in fast to lock in moisture. Apply 1 drop out of the face, neck and décolleté every morning and night after cleansing. Oh, so this is what we have. I love the packaging of this brand. It's very, very simple. You don't need to go overboard with packaging, and this brand proves it. I've tried a few bits from this brand. It's really, really nice, and I can't wait to slap that on my face. My face needs to be nicely plumped and hydrated, especially at this time of year. Yeah, so can't wait to give that a go. Third item we've got in the box is this little bottle of gold. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, and this is Revive Bath and Shower Oil. Oh, I love bath and shower oils, lovely. So this has an RRP of £12 and it's packed with grapefruit, juniper berry and rosemary. This will help keep you uplifted all day. This is not a cleansing product but a skin hydration oil which is packed with fragrance to awaken your mind and boost your circulation. The brand says take a little therapy into a bathing experience by massaging this oil prior to stepping into a warm shower or bath. Enhance the aromatherapy benefits by cupping your hands to your face and inhaling deeply 3 times. So yeah, that sounds absolutely lovely. Let's have a sniff. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. You can really smell that rosemary actually. Very, very nice. So apparently what I think you're supposed to do, you're not supposed to pour it in the bath or anything like that or put too much on your skin. You just pop little bits on your skin, massage it in. You need a very, very little amount, and then when the hot water hits you, that's when it really helps to get that fragrance out there so you can breathe it in. Yeah, that is going to be really enjoyable to use. Fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by Percy and Reed and it is a shine and fragrance spray. This has an RRP of £12. It says glorious shiny fragranced hair is one of the most sensory experiences. Just watch the reaction from friends and family as you hug them at Christmas with this in your hair. Compliments and some. The brand says our hair perfume and gloss and mist is the best shine spray for all hair types. The lightweight formula delivers a particle shine, giving instant luminosity to the hair. Infused with bespoke fine fragrance, it also leaves locks smelling beautifully fresh and floral. So you shake the can, you hold it 10 centimeters above your head, and spray will fall onto your hair. Wait 15 seconds for the spray to set and dry. So yeah, it's quite easy to use as well. What does it smell like, just out of interest? It smells good. Really, really good. Oh yeah, that's a bit of me right there. I can't wait to try that out. The fifth and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bondi Sands and it's a gradual tannin milk. It has an RRP of $6.99, so really affordable. And it just says, who doesn't love a bit of glow in the winter? This everyday gradual tan milk is packed with cocoa butter, aloe and shea butter. So a great body lotion too. Buildable colour to create a soft glow on the skin. The brand says enjoy all year round tan with Bondi Sands innovative dual action everyday gradual tannin milk, enriched with aloe and vitamin E for a healthy glowing skin. It glides on easily for a long lasting golden tan every time. Yeah, great. I'm not really into tanning much, if I'm honest, if hardly ever these days. So that is probably going to go in one of my giveaways, hopefully to somebody who will appreciate it. But yeah, I'm sure there's lots of tan lovers out there that will appreciate it. Right guys, so this is the October TOYL box worth over £130. What do you think? Personally, it's a good box. It is a good box. the star products in it for me. Well, actually, I like all of them apart from the tanning thing, if I'm honest. But the two main star standout products are these two right here. So we've got the Murad product and we've got the Organic Pharmacy product. They are the two main standout ones. The bath and shower oil looks fantastic too. I'm really interested in trying that Shine fragrance spray out on my hair. But yeah, the tan stuff, not really bothered by. So yeah, really happy with this box. It's really good. I just wish they were capable of doing an address change and saving it on the system. And when you're told that you're on a watch list, so nothing can possibly go wrong, that it will get your box, and it still goes wrong, it's really disappointing. I'm hoping I get next month's box on time like everybody else. But yeah, £40 a month. I just want a smooth transaction. That's all I want, nothing more. Do you get this box? If not, I will pop the link down below in the information box. Give it a click. But as I say, if you're due to move house, don't do it after you move house. But yeah, that concludes my video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.